I'm Don from the Yealink product team. As we noticed, companies are actively looking to equip their spaces with the right video conferencing tools for better teamwork. The world now desires better communication and collaboration. Yealink's answer to this desire is the MeetingBoard series, an all-in-one collaboration display. It enables fantastic meetings and facilitates idea sharing and brainstorming through its whiteboard collaboration feature. MeetingBoard is not just a board. It also supports a full device ecosystem that helps to deliver the best experience in all scenarios. Whether it's a manager's office, a meeting room, a training room, or an open space, a MeetingBoard solution fits the space perfectly. Next, I'll invite my friend Tom, an IT manager, to discuss what he likes about it.
Hey, Don.
Hi, Tom.
Now, as an IT manager, I love the all-in-one design. With its camera, microphone, speakers, and touch display integrated, it's so simple to get ready for a dedicated meeting. For open spaces and executive offices, it's nice to be able to move around while in our meeting room. Wall hung is my better choice that saves space and makes the room a lot more tidy. Now, in the past, there were a lot of things to manage. We had our projectors, screens, TVs, cameras, speakerphones, and even traditional whiteboards with markers and erasers. Managing all the different components in multiple meeting rooms can be time-consuming and complex. MeetingBoard streamlines and simplifies the deployment of our meeting rooms. Now, if you need to switch to using a Windows operating system versus an Android, simply plug in your Windows OPS module for seamless integration. It's as easy as one touch. With MeetingBoard, I can manage all the meeting room components remotely from my office.
Thank you for sharing, Tom. As you can see, MeetingBoard is designed to deliver fantastic meetings and make IT management so much easier. MeetingBoard has built-in 16 MEMS beamforming microphone arrays and 4+2 stereo microphones supporting 12 meters or 40 feet full duplex audio. You can enjoy a clear sound even in large spaces or when both sides are talking at the same time.
When in glass conference rooms, sounds can reflect and accumulate, causing echoing. This can be very distracting, even for a few seconds. However, with MeetingBoard, you don't need to worry about any of those problems. The embedded AI-enhanced reverberation suppression enables you to talk freely without annoying echoes, even when in glass conference rooms.
On the other hand, to ensure a clear communication between remote and in-room attendees in hybrid meetings, noise can be a great challenge. The noise you encounter in-room can sometimes be louder than your voice, making your words very hard to identify. Today, I invited my friends Kevin and Eddie to play guitar and to sing to simulate a loud background noise so you can get a better sense of the noise canceling features. Let's get started.
Okay. I wake up early every day with the fire burning bright. A hunger deep inside of me to make everything alright, alright.
That's really good. Thank you, guys. As you can hear, the noise cancellation feature in MeetingBoard is amazing. The background music is gone and the voices are very clear. Remote participants can focus on their conversations without worrying about anything else. When you are using MeetingBoard in a large meeting room, you don't need to worry about the audio quality either. The MeetingBoard can also pair with one or several wireless extended mics so that every voice can be picked up even in a larger space. When you join a meeting in the room, the electric privacy shutter automatically opens. And it protects your privacy when you're finished with the meeting by closing automatically as well. The built-in 4K camera is paired with an image sensor that is professional in terms of sharpness and color rendition. All these together provide a fantastic and secure video meeting experience. It also supports an additional optical PTZ camera catered to premium video needs in different scenarios.
With the high-resolution 12x zoom PTZ camera, everything can be seen, down to the tiniest detail. Look at the last line of the side chart. It can be seen crystal clear. Look at the size of this room. Aiming for an experience similar to face-to-face communication, AI-powered video features are included in the camera. These features deliver a focused view without distractions for meetings. They are a vital element to meeting equity. Auto-framing feature frames people in the room in the best view and adjusts it if more people enter. This reduces wasted background space and places the focus right where it matters. But as more people join the room, it gets harder for remote attendees to see everyone clearly. That's why you need a multi-focus framing feature. The camera zooms to every participant in the room and presents them in their individual frames, just like this. This allows meeting room participants to be viewed better by remote users. Sometimes, remote participants only need to focus on a few main speakers. In this case, speaker tracking mode is a good choice.
This feature ensures attendees are well engaged by panning and zooming the camera to stay focused on just the active speaker.
When remote participants also want a whole picture of the room simultaneously, picture-in-picture mode is the perfect choice, so they won't miss any details in the room while keeping a close eye on the speaker's speech and expressions. In Zoom rooms, you can also enjoy an equal meeting experience through the Smart Gallery feature. The camera can automatically detect all members in the room and create 3 separate feeds.
One panoramic view of the room and 2 individual views of the current and last speaker. Smart Gallery allows work-from-home employees to always easily focus on the active speaker and always keep up with the progress of the meeting.
MeetingBoard supports extraordinary whiteboard experience with the LED touchscreen to enhance collaboration and makes the brainstorming easy for video meetings. Now let's see how it works. The 4K canvas promises you with the freedom of creation. We can add the reaction of applauding here. And we can also zoom in and zoom out with our fingers. Writing on MeetingBoard is so fluent that it is like writing or drawing on the paper. This is the stylus for the MeetingBoard, so I can write with the pen tip and erase with the pen tail. To make it more like writing on the real paper, we also have palm rejection technology, so when I write, I can comfortably write my palm on the screen. You can also create with your friend together at the same time. What makes it more fantastic is that we can create together during a Teams meeting. I'm going to invite my colleague to this meeting.
Hi, Haley.
Hi, can you see the whiteboard I'm sharing now?
Yeah, I can see the diagram you are sharing. It's pretty good. And I'm going to add a thumb up here. Can you see that?
Yes, and I like it. As you can see, Smart Whiteboard collaboration enables the team to create together while having a video meeting, making the collaboration fantastic.